Looking for the best data science courses on Coursera? In this video, I'll share my top picks based on course quality, learner ratings, industry recognition, and career value. Before we get started, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. My first recommendation is the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This is one of the most popular data science programs on Coursera, with hundreds of thousands of learners enrolled. It's beginner-friendly and requires no previous experience. You'll learn Python, SQL, data analysis, data visualization, machine learning, and complete hands-on projects that build a job-ready portfolio. My second pick is the Applied Data Science with Python Specialization from the University of Michigan. This program is a great choice if you already know some Python. It focuses on practical skills like data visualization, machine learning, text mining, and real-world data analysis. The University of Michigan is also one of the most respected universities on Coursera. My third pick is the Johns Hopkins Data Science Specialization. This long-running bestseller teaches R programming, statistics, data wrangling, predictive modeling, and machine learning. It's an excellent option for learners who want a deeper understanding of data science fundamentals. Now, here's something to consider. Buying these courses one by one can become expensive, especially if you want to earn multiple certificates. That's why Coursera Plus is such a great deal. With Coursera Plus, you get access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from IBM, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Johns Hopkins, the University of Michigan, and many other top institutions. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, reducing the price from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're serious about building data science skills this year, it's a much smarter investment than paying for courses individually. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.